Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So this class will do something interesting. So this class we are going to learn how to draw a train. So let's start. So for that we need paper, pencil, eraser, scale and color. So let's start. So for first step you have to draw a straight line with the help of scale. Do it till here like this. Now you have to make a square. So by using the shapes we'll make this train. So let's do it. First you have to draw here a rectangle. Like this. Now here we have to draw another rectangle. You have to extend this line towards up till here, and one more line you have to draw here, and you can join it. Now what to do? Now we have to draw a square. So we can do it here. It should be till here. So this is the bogie and this is the engine of the train. So now join it. It should be equal to this. So now done. Here we'll make another bogie like this. So till here. This is also should be equal with this. Now join it. So done. Now we'll make the wheels. Now we'll make here one circle, here one circle for the wheel. So just draw a circle here and one more here. Now here one big circle we have to do like this. Now here one circle we have to do and one more here. Same thing here also. One is here, another one will be here. So now again inside this circle we have to draw another circle for all the circles. Like this. Done till here. Now we have to make small rectangle inside it. This is the window. So one here, one more here. For this bogie also same thing. Like this. Now draw one straight line here and one here. Here we'll draw some lines to make some designs for the bogie. So done. Now draw a triangle here. And a rectangle here. And you have to draw again a square here. And here we have to draw the smoke. Like this. Now we can erase this line and this line, and you can join two bogie and engine by adding two lines here. So done. Now here just draw two curves like this, and here one more line you have to add. So done. Now here also we'll add these two wheels, a circle like this. So now your picture is completed. So now we'll color it. So now we'll start coloring. So for coloring, here we'll apply red color first on engine. So here I am using color pencil for coloring. So you have to apply red color on this rectangular shape. Here I'll apply pink color. Don't apply color inside this window. Only here we need to apply pink color and we have to fill it. Now we will apply orange color here. Now we'll apply brown color here. And we'll fill slowly all the lines like this. I am applying here color according to me, but you can choose color as your choice also. Here also, and the same brown color we will apply here also. So done. Now take black color. Black color we have to apply 4 wheels. All the wheels you have to apply the same black color like this, but don't apply here inside this wheel. In the middle part we'll apply grey color. So done this one. Now here we have to apply grey color. If you have grey color you can apply grey, otherwise same black color you can apply lightly, the grey color will come like this. Now that same grey color will apply for smoke also, like this. And here also we'll add black color. Like this. So done. Now for this window we'll apply this light blue color. So now your picture is ready. So it's very simple, very easy. You can try this at your home. Thank you.